Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this CADPower video, I'm going to show you how you can mirror the arc segments of a polyline. Now in this drawing, you can see there are two polylines and they contain arc segments. This command allows you to mirror the arc segments about the two endpoints of the segment. So we go to the CADPower menu under Polyline Tools under Flip. You have this command called Flip Mirror Arc Segments of Polyline. You can even call it on the command line using cp_pl arc mirror command. So you select the polylines that you want to mirror and click apply, and you can see now that these arcs which were on the other side have got mirrored. To show you the difference, I'm just going to do an undo and you can see how it was earlier. The PL arc mirror command is also available in the ribbon. So if you switch on the ribbon bar and go to the CADPower and under Polyline Tools, you can see that there is flip mirror arc segments of polyline. Thank you for watching this video and do let me know if you have any questions.